In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your monday.com password in this comprehensive 2025 guide. Changing your password regularly is a critical step in maintaining your account security, and I'm here to walk you through the process with clarity and ease. First, head over to monday.com and sign into your account. This is crucial because you need to be logged in to access the settings that allow you to change your password. Once you're signed in, you'll want to navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find your profile picture. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Depending on your plan, you might see different options. Select either Admin, Profile, and then My Profile. From here, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Security in the navigation menu. Once you've landed on the security page, you'll see a section dedicated to your password. Here, you'll find the option labeled Change Password. Click on this to open the password update form. Now, you'll need to provide some important information to proceed. Start by entering your current password. It's always a good idea to have it handy to avoid disruptions. Next, you'll need to create a new password. Your new password should be at least 8 characters long and include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This combination is essential for a strong password that will keep your account secure. Be mindful to avoid using any previous passwords, as this could compromise your account security. After you've carefully chosen a new password, you'll need to re-enter it in the Confirm New Password field. This step ensures that you've typed it correctly and matches what you've entered before. Once you're sure everything's correct, go ahead and click on Save Update Password. Now, for security reasons, monday.com might log you out of your account. This is a standard practice to safeguard your information. To regain access, simply log back in with your email and the new password you've just set. This step is critical to ensure that the password change was successful and that you can continue using your account without any hitches. And that's it! You've successfully changed your monday.com password. It's a few simple steps that can make a big difference in keeping your account secure. Remember, updating your password regularly is a good habit to develop as part of your digital safety routine. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips like this one.